Hello, friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing very well in your personal life and also very well in stock market. Let's start today's discussion. I am making this video after I guess 2 to 3 days, maybe, because I was working on this file to make some improvement as well, and I have definitely made it. And now you will be getting a better daily analysis file and improved version also. Well, the changes I have made is very simple, like sector wise details we'll be getting, and we'll also be getting the detail of broad market indices. What is sector wise details? Well, how pharma is performing today, how metal stock is performing, which stocks, or you can say which sector, drag the Nifty up or drag the Nifty down. And you'll also be able to see that which broader market index is gaining or losing. Why it becomes so much important? Because you already know sometimes FIS, DIS do major buying or selling, but market goes in opposite direction. Why is it so? Because these people are not investing in Nifty 50. Then how it will affect the Nifty 50? Then we need to analyze other indexes, means broader market indexes. We have to go out of the Nifty 50 so that we can see the Nifty 50 in very clear manner. That's why I have included this data. And there is very good news that we are going to get vaccinated in, you can say, few weeks. Even in upcoming days, Dr. Reddy's are going to distribute, or you can say sell, vaccine around 1000 rupees in the market, open market. And basically it is a Russian vaccine, Sputnik. So which is very good news, because we are going to get vaccinated. Hence this corona curse will be lifted from the India at least, because it has made us worried so much. We lost so much in this. I also want to especially thank the people who have helped during the corona. To all the people, like, let it be nurses, let it be petrol pump boys, or the people who are frontline warriors. They have put themselves at the risk, and also they were working for the humanity, money apart. Okay, you say na, jaan hai to jahan hai. So they also knew this, but still they chose that we'll be working for the humanity. And I really appreciate their work, and I thank them. And because of them only, we are about to win the war, corona war. And we they not only helped us to make our health better or treat us in urgent need, they also have gone one step further. They did the research. They even made these vaccines, which we are going to be having in upcoming days. And definitely this will change the game. Already global cues are indicating bullishness in the market. So well, tone is already been set up. Let's see where it takes us. Let's go there and first see the global indices. Nifty and Bank Nifty were the only indices which ended up in red. Otherwise, Nasdaq, Dow Jones ended up positively. Nasdaq even ended up greater than 3% gain. So, it clearly indicating that there is a bullishness in the market, and market has set up its tone to be bullish. VIX has gone a little bit high on 14th of May 2021. So it means that okay, you have to be cautious because fear is still there in the market. Let's see what happens in next trading session. Based on that, well, we'll be pretty much sure that where market is going to be headed. But as per my opinion, now Nifty and Bank Nifty will be touching next highs in upcoming, you can say, months as well. Let's go to next Nifty and Bank Nifty movers. Nifty moved greater than 3%, and see, these indices are the these stocks are the stocks which moved greater than 3% or less than negative 3%. So this drag or lift the Nifty up. You see the broader picture. 15 stocks gained on 14th of May, whereas 35 stocks declined. ITC Limited, UPC Limited, UPL, and Nestle India and Asian Paints gained greater than 3%. Whereas Grasim Industries, Tata Motors, Hindalco Industries, Tata Steel, GAIL, and Coal India contributed in Nifty's fall. On Bank Nifty front, Bank of Baroda was the only stock which lose less than negative 3%. It means banking sector there is not much of the bearishness. Otherwise, major stock would be falling. Instead, they are not falling much and some of the stocks even are gaining. It is a sign of the bullishness in the market. Let's see the broader picture, means broad market indices. That's what I was talking about. Well, if you see here, then clearly you can see less changes, you can say percentage wise. Then Nifty 50 only were the where the people were selling less. Otherwise, in all the other indices, broader market indices, people were selling. Especially in Nifty small cap, minus 1.5% selling has happened. And Nifty small cap was the second highest selling market indices. So it was the Nifty 50 only which were keeping the market up, or you can say it was not letting market go down. Let's see the sector wise analysis. That's what I was talking about. Fertilizers and pesticides, consumer services, and consumer goods. These three sectors gained on 14th of May. Otherwise, all other sectors were dragging the Nifty down and also the selling were happening. Majority of the selling has happened in metal stocks, followed by industrial and manufacturing. So I am hoping that from Monday onwards, Nifty will be gaining and we'll be seeing the reverse picture, means almost all the sector will be gaining. Let's see the daily news. Asian Paint, UPL, Happiest Mind Technology, Battery Makers, Vedanta, Tata Powers, Bharti Airtel, Sun Pharma, Infosys, and Jindal Steel had a good news. Eicher Motors had a little bit bad news. So you can, if you wanted to read this news, you can take the screenshot of it. So any of the part, if you wanted to read it out later on, you can take the screenshot and read it out later on. If you ask me to share this file with you, then this file size will be a huge file size, because here I'm also gonna include the sector wise performance of each stocks. So you already know that Nifty has 500 stocks. So if 500 rows will be coming, then the size of this file will be around 30 to 40 MBs. And this will be cluttered data. Nobody will be seeing that data. Even you won't open that data. You already know 40 to 50 MBs में तो एक book बनती है. So I don't want to clutter your mind. I wanted to give you the specific and important news and important parameters only. That's why. Let's go to the next, which is most active stocks. This is also one change I have made. Here first we'll be seeing where the most traded quantity has happened, or where the most quantity have been traded. If you see Punjab National Bank and Vodafone Idea, financial services, telecom and industrial manufacturing and metals, there most of the trading has happened. And if you see, this trading was negative trading, means people were selling. Majority of the people were selling. That's why these stocks also has gone down, and majority of the trading also happened in these stocks. Now let's see the value wise stock. If you see the value wise trading, then Tata Steel had a major selling value wise also. Otherwise, UPL Limited and Asian Paint have gained. So this two, UPL and Asian, was lifting market, but Tata Steel was dragging down very much. Earlier Tata Steel was gaining. So maybe it is just a profit booking which is happening from big hands. That's why market is going down. And I'm hoping that it will again go up once this situation becomes normal. Let's see where the most of the trade is happened. So if you see here, UPL, their most trade is happened. It means people are making trade and it has gained. So most of the people are buying in UPL. Whereas Tata still complete selling you can say. Asian Paints also buying has happened. It is clearly indicated by total trades in lakhs, number of trades. And if you see the measure of the RT of the these things is in red, so that's why there was a you can say bearishness in the market. You see here fertilizer industries and pesticides gained, UPL gained, consumer goods have gained. Otherwise, metals have dragged the Nifty down heavily. Let's go to next, which is our corporate events. Here you take the screenshot. I'll be discussing here only Nifty stock events. Otherwise, this video will be too long. Bharti Airtel, Tata Motors, Indian Oil, State Bank of India, JSW Steel, and Hindalco Industries Limited. These stocks are going to announce results and audited results and final dividends in upcoming days. So there are high possibilities that if result come positive, then it will definitely affect the market. And if it comes negative, definitely these stocks will go down and they will drag the Nifty also down. Other stocks also you can read it out. See here the government events. Apart from Japan GDP announcement, there is not much of the events are ahead in upcoming days. In Nifty weekly, there was a bearishness in the market. Not bullishness has not come yet till 14th, but I am expecting this scenario is going to be changed. You see the weekly picture, most of the people are selling on call side. They are making the position on call side. Weekly also and yesterday also. But now this situation will change as per my opinion. Bank Nifty also the same scenario is there. Weekly support for Nifty is at 14,000 and resistance is at 15,500. Whereas Bank Nifty support of weekly is at 31,000 and weekly resistance is at 32,500. Whereas daily support for Nifty is at 14,600 and daily resistance was at 15,500. Daily means change in open interest data support and resistance. Bank Nifty daily support was at 31,000 and resistance was at 32,500. FII DIS data. Here you see FIS has sold 2,600 crore worth of the stocks, whereas DI could buy only 613 crore worth of stocks. Still market didn't go much down. Can you say why? Do you know why? Well, you know already, I have discussed it with you that other stocks are also taking the hit. So that's why it is not majorly affecting the Nifty only. MFN equity, not much of the events are happening. My profit and loss, this is my profit and loss. This I'll be posting on my group also. Just I'll change the date of 15th May. 15th May was a holiday, so I can't trade on that. So this profit was of 14th of May. That's it from my side. I hope you liked the video. If you're finding this video helpful, then hit the like button and consider subscribing this channel.